Okay, now what should I do next? Aloha means Hawaiian. It means you can say Aloha Hawaiian. We can do it all together. Oh, great. This is going to be great.
Yahoo! Yeah! Ugh! All right, bring it on! Sweet! Gotta try harder. See ya! Yeah! Yeah!
Goodbye, Joe, me gotta go, me oh my oh. Me gotta go, pour the Piro down the bayou. My Yvonne, the sweetest one, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya, and a crawfish pie, and a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle Mio. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and be gay. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Big toast, the fountain nose, the place is buzzing. Kinfolk come to see Yvonne by the dozen. Dress in style, go hog wild, me oh my oh. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya, and a crawfish pie, and a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle Mio. Big guitar, fill fruit jar, and be gay. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou. Jambalaya, and a crawfish pie, and a filet gumbo. 'Cause tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle Mio. Big guitar, fill fruit jar, and be gay. Son of a gun, we'll have big fun on the bayou.